Like, is it totally made up of carbon, or does the carbon comprise of its outer core only, and there is a conductor in
No,
it?
it is purely not that much purely, but it is considered that it must be made up of only one material. But another thing that for the strength or any other thing, it can be stranded with another carbon fiber. It can be double stranded or it can be like multiple strands of the carbon being used. But it is purely like there's no other thing there.
What is the temperature of the beam?
The beams interacting, they are moving there. They are they have quite a lot good energy. Like they're up to 5 to 6 electron volts. So we can have an idea about the temperature. Like we can see that the wires getting sublimated. I showed you in one of the slides. So it must be like 5,000 to 6,000 kelvins at of the one beam. But when the collision happens, it can be very huge temperature there. But it will lie in the range of if it's working properly, it must be like lower than 4,000 to 4,000 Kelvin. Because we know that the failure happens at the higher temperatures. Wire actually sublimates after 4,000 Kelvin.
It should be the temperature of the wire then, and not that of the beam.
Yeah, actually, exactly the temperature when the interaction happens. So the beam is actually traveling with the energy, and the temperature conditions will be focused when there's an interaction.
The temperature of the beam should be, if it is like tera electron volt, it should be at 10 to the power 15 Kelvin. But since the number density is much
Yeah,
lower, it
exactly.
doesn't
So,
have enough
like we
room.
know that like one electron volt is 1,000.
Yeah, 600 Kelvin.
Exactly. That's the point. So yeah, I hope you get the answer.
Amazing, amazing. Nice answer.
Other questions? I showed you the whole system that why should we use the carbon. Exactly. So we can use, but there will be issues. They will break down more easily than carbon. Yeah, they're going on. They're doing a lot of research. No, but there is. I was looking at these scanners, and they're showing that even the modifications in the scanners, it's going on so much. The optical encoders they're installed there, and they filter out the signals even before going out of these scanners. So not only this material, but there is a lot engineering and a lot of the work going on. Even it's so interesting. Let me tell you, the CNC machines that are making the equipment of the scanners, they are so efficient that they just like place the whole strand of the material like 24 micrometers apart, and then they make out the tank of the scanners. So it is very high performance CNC machines and the high quality engineering going on there that is producing all these things. There's a lot of research going on with that. But the selection of the material, I think there might be a composite like any other material in future maybe. But with the present materials, I think carbon is the best of the materials that can be used.
Can you use a composite material for the like wire? Because I have heard that composite materials have a higher what should be the correct word? Tolerance to extreme environments.
But it depends how will the interaction of those materials with the beam give us the results. And what will be the methods of the breaking? Like it might damage. There are so many things that needs to be considered in order to use that. I don't think so. Maybe some specific sort of material being produced in future might be used